Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix encoding overload. So let's say for example you start recording by OBS. After you finish the 5 or even 10 minutes record, you find that or you found that the large or the amount of the storage in the video or whatever you record is too high. So how can you fix that? I will show you in this video. First of all, of course, if you don't have an OBS, all you need to do, just go and download it at any browser you are using, and after that go set up as and let's get started. So after opening your OBS, all you need to do first of all is of course to start or to add a scene. After adding your scene, all you need to do is just add whatever you want. Add the sources here. Just go and click at the plus icon at sources and add whatever you want to record here. So if you want to record the whole screen, or even if you go anywhere, it will record everything by display picture. If you want to record your audio only, or even if you want to record just a specific window. So after choosing to whatever you want, all you need to do to reduce the amount or the storage of the video, just go here to settings, and as you can see here we have several options. All we want to do of course is just go to output, and of course here recording quality. All you need to do, just choose maybe lowest quality or even the same as Steam, because if you choose this option, as you can see here we have large file size. So and if you choose the high quality, you will have a medium file size, and you can do another thing as well to reduce the file size. All you need to do, just go here at the video and change your resolution. Maybe do whatever you want here, and maybe reduce FPS as well. After that, all you need to do, maybe add some hotkeys to stop and start recording, then click at apply, then OK. Now if you start the record or the same amount of minutes, maybe if you record the same amount like 5 minutes or even 10 minutes video, if the first video took you maybe 100 megabytes, after doing what I said in this video, it will maybe just take for you maybe just 50 or even less. So that will be for this video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.